Friends, today I am going to make Telangana special item Chakinaalu. It can be made by using only a few ingredients. So let's dive into the video. Ingredients used are rice, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a good source of calcium. Wine, salt and oil. First, wash the rice 2 times and soak it for 3 hours. Strain out the water. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Then grind it into a fine powder. Here for 3 kg of rice I have added 1 kg sesame seeds, 100 gram wine and salt to taste. Mix all of them. Add water and make a dough. Make a dough like this. Then keep it aside for 10 minutes. Spread a cotton cloth. Then take a lemon sized dough and gently releasing the dough, simultaneously twisting it and make circles. Repeat until all dough is completed. Let it dry for half an hour. Take them into a plate like this. Gently slide them into hot oil. Don't move them for 2 minutes to avoid breaking. After 2 minutes, move them gently. And let them fry. After few minutes of frying, turn them around. Then take them aside. Crispy Chakinaalu are ready to eat. Look at this. How crispy are they? The link of Telugu version video available in description. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share.